Hi friends, I am Rajnikant. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Suman's Digital English Tutorial Videos. Dear friends, today I am going to dictate answers to some short answer type questions, 4 marker for the student of 12th class from the book Vistas chapter 2, The Tiger King, penned by Kalki. Let's begin with the question 1. Who is the hero of the story The Tiger King? How may he be identified? Dear guys, its answer. The Maharaja Pratibandhapuram is the hero of the story. He may be identified as His Highness Jamidar General, Khilidar Major, सतव्याघ्र समाहारी, महाराजा धीराज, विश्वभुवन सम्राट, सर जिलानी जंग जंग बहादुर, MAD, ACTC, RCRCK. This name is often shortened to the Tiger King. Question 2. What does the author consider imperative right at the start? The author considers it imperative to disclose a matter of vital importance about the Tiger King. He was a man of indomitable courage. Everyone who read of him will have a natural desire to meet him face to face. But there is no chance of its fulfillment as the Tiger King is dead. Question 3. Which matter about the Tiger King is of extraordinary interest? The manner of the death of the Tiger King is of the extraordinary interest. The most fantastic aspect of his demise was that as soon as he was born, astrologers had foretold that one day the Tiger King would actually have to die. Question 4. What was the great miracle that took place? What was its result? The astrologers said that the child born under that particular star would one day have to meet his death. At that very moment, a great miracle took place. An astonishing phrase emerged from the lips of the 10-day-old Jilani Jang Jang Bahadur. O white prophets, everyone stood motionless with astonishment and stupidity. Question 5. What did the infant just 10 days ago tell the wise astrologers? Dear guys, its answer. The infant said that all those who are born will one day have to die. So he did not need their predictions to know that thing. He further said that there would be some sense in it if they could tell him the manner of his death. Question 6. Why did the Maharaja order the Diwan to double the land tax? Dear guys, its answer. Maharaja went out on an expedition to find the 100th tiger. The tiger could not be found. That is why, in anger, he ordered the Diwan to double the land tax. Question 7. How did the chief astrologer react to the infant prince's observation? Dear guys, its answer. The chief astrologer was surprised. He placed his finger on his nose in wonder. It was incredible that the 10-day-old infant raised intelligent questions. He said that the prince was born in the hour of the bull. The bull and the tiger are enemies, therefore death comes from the tiger. Question 8. How did the crown prince Jung Bahadur grow up? There lies its answer. The infant had an uneventful childhood. He grew up to just like other royal princes of the Indian states during the British rule. The prince grew taller and in stronger day by day. The boy drank the milk of English cow. He was brought up by an English nanny and tutored in English by an Englishman. He saw nothing but English films. Question 9. How does the author satirize the upbringing and education of the crown prince of Indian states? There lies its answer. The author makes a laugh and pointing out the excessive love of Indian kings and queens for English education and English way of life. They seemed so in mode of everything English that the crown prince drank the milk of English cow, were brought up by English nannies and tutored in English by Englishmen. They saw only English films. Thus they were Indians only in flesh and blood, but aped Englishmen in culture and manner. Question 10. Why did the Maharaja ban tiger hunting in the state? There lies its answer. Maharaja banned the tiger hunting in the state because he wanted to prove the prediction of the state astrologer wrong, that he would be killed by the hundredth tiger. That is why he put a ban on hunting of tigers on all the tiger rich forest of Pratibandhapuram. Question 11. Why do you think did Maharaja send for the state astrologer? There lies its answer. The Maharaja was excited beyond measures when he killed the first tiger. He felt proud of his feat. He wanted to show the dead beast to the state astrologer, so he sent for him and wanted to know what he said then. Question 12. Sum up in your own words the interview between the Maharaja and the state astrologer. There lies its answer. On the orders of Maharaja, the state astrologer said that His Majesty might kill 99 tigers in exactly the same manner, but he must be careful with the 100th tiger. The Maharaja observed that the 100th tiger might also be killed. What will happen then? The astrologer said that then he would tear up all books on the astrology and set fire to them. Moreover, he would cut off his tuft, crop his hair short, and become an insurance agent. Dear guys, it's all for today. Hope you would have liked this video. If you have liked it, please press the like button and do subscribe my channel in order to get the notifications of such interesting videos at the soonest. Thanks for watching. Bye.